welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be boxing Super Ring that time. I'm hoping it, but I want to take this video. Mira and Donnie. It says on the back, I'm ready to make things happen. Okay, let's get started. We need to open this. You know what Super Ring is on tubi. So let me test this out. So Donnie, this guy, he can build stuff. Hold on. This part might take a while because I'm got it, boy. Oh, it also says on the box, transform a bot. Or you can't read something like that. So Mira. And what's the right here? I'm going to show you the results after. Then we have Donnie. If I can open Donnie. If not, we'll see how. Not sure I was going to say. We're back. Okay. Scissors. I don't think I need scissors. Oh, I had to open the other side. I'm gonna put this on mine. So, like, yeah, Donnie. Here. Oh, I think I need to use tail here. I need to lift this up. So you have Donnie. So that's the thing. If I want to fold him, if I fold Donnie up again, it'll be the Saxon thing. Like, hold up. Whatever. Oh, also forgot to you. You can also open the arm. I'm having to take a while to open and close it like this. What? And Saxon thing. Don't know what kind of plane are these, but for Super Ring. Cash them on? No, tubi. Okay. I just want to box these because for YouTube channel. Like, right here, I'm gonna show some pictures. Yeah, the closet Donnie. You probably can't see, guys. You probably can't see, right? So yeah, if I get my toys, I'm gonna box them. Let's now next video. Like I said, subscribe, like, comment, and share, and hit the notification bell. Peace. Okay.